I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, easy and gluten-free beer bread. Let's go! So for this recipe, you need 270 milliliters of gluten-free beer, or you could use cider as well. 7 grams of dried yeast, 85 grams of rice flour, 40 grams of buckwheat flour, 80 grams of potato starch, 45 grams of teff flour, 7 grams of psyllium husk powder, very important, don't miss this out, 5 grams of salt, and 5 grams of sunflower oil or any other neutral vegetable oil. So the first thing you need to do is open the beer and have a good drink. No, I'm joking. So seriously, the first thing you need to do is put the beer in a bowl and add the dried yeast and leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's activated. Now, while the yeast is activating, you can take another bowl and put all your dry ingredients. So, quick reminder, that's 85 grams of rice flour, 40 grams of buckwheat flour, 80 grams of potato starch, 45 grams of teff, and 7 grams of psyllium husk powder, and of course, 5 grams of salt. So put them all in a bowl and give them all a good mix. So after 5 to 10 minutes, the yeast is activated. As you can see, there's loads of bubbles. You can add your 5 grams of sunflower oil. And then you simply need to add all your flours. And you're going to give it all a really good mix. Okay, so there you go. When it's all mixed, it will look something like this. And then you need to put it in a cake tin that you've lined with non-stick baking paper. So simply put it in the cake tin and then push it in like that evenly. Just like this. And then now we're going to let it rise for about 1 to 2 hours. It needs to rise. It's going to double just about in size. I like to put it in my cold oven with a bowl of steaming hot water. It creates a nice humid environment and the bread rises beautifully. Let's go. And this is what it looks like. After it's risen, I'm now going to pop it into the oven for 40 minutes at 210 degrees. Let's go. And there you go. It's all beautiful and cooked. Let's let it cool down and cut a slice. And there you go. Look at this. This is what it looks like inside. Let me show you. There you go. I know it sounds surprising to make bread with beer, right? You can use cider as well instead. The beer or the cider actually gives the bread a really nice taste that's difficult to describe. You just have to try the recipe basically to find out. It's delicious, trust me. And now it's going to be tasting time. It's delicious. I hope you love it as much as I do when you make it. So there you go, as usual. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it easy to make. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions at all. If you have a special request for a special bread or a special easy and gluten-free video recipe, please let me know in the comments too. If you enjoyed this video, my guess is you'll enjoy this one next. Bye for now. Thank you for watching.